अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। क्या आपको पता है दैट एटम्स बिल्कुल इंसानों की तरह बिहेव करते हैं? यस। कैसे आपने पूछा? ह्यूमंस लाइक टू बॉन्ड विद ईच अदर एंड वी कैनॉट लिव इन आइसोलेशन। पीपल हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन। सिमिलरली एटम्स के साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है। सम एटम्स कैन ऑल्सो हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन देम. Some atoms can have weak connections, just like two people can have weak connection. Hydrogen को देखा जाए तो it needs a lot of space. It is the most widespread element in the universe. Sodium को देखें तो sodium is a very active metal. It has a strong reaction to water. And अगर oxygen की बात करें तो oxygen is the most sociable element. It interacts with everything apart from inert gases. अब हम कुछ रोल्स देखते हैं बॉन्डिंग के, जो कि हमें अपनी डेली लाइफ में भी नजर आएंगे. द प्रोटीन्स वी नीड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वी ईट आर ऑल रिजल्ट ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन एटम्स. गैस दैट वी यूज इन अ कार इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. जब हम ऑक्सीजन ब्रीथ करते हैं दैट इज ऑल्सो रिजल्ट ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड. और जितनी भी हम दवाइयां लेते हैं दे आर रिजल्ट्स ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन एटम्स. क्या आपको पता है who is responsible for matter formation? Chemicals form the basic building blocks of matter in living things as well as non-living things. Molecules are formed by chemical bonds that join elements and make substances. Chemical reactions are the basis of transformations of molecules into entirely different substances, the release of energy, and the processes of life. क्या आपको पता है that atoms are extremely important structures that make up all the materials on Earth? Atoms are in our bodies and they bond together to form molecules, which make up matter. और क्या आपको पता है कि ये जो combinations हैं they are endless. Metals bond to metals, non-metals to non-metals, and metals to non-metals. Sometimes atoms clump together in little clusters and sometimes in immense crystal arrays. No wonder the subject is so erotic. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि ये एलिमेंट्स एक दूसरे से इंटरैक्ट करते कैसे हैं? It all depends on how the elements are arranged and how the electrons are arranged and how many openings for electrons exist at the outermost region where electrons are present in an atom. Atoms stick together because of chemical attraction, meaning that various types of atoms are attracted to each other and come together in a bond. This attraction is created because of the electrostatic force caused by the attraction between electrons and nuclei. अब आपको पता है कि there is a lot of importance of atoms in the form of molecules. In the simplest terms, without atoms, there would be not a functioning world. Atoms make up matter, और matter जो है वो दुनिया की हर चीज को बनाता है, with a few exceptions. Let's look at some of the examples of how atoms affect the world. Oxygen atoms को देखें तो they bond together in the air and keep us alive because we need oxygen in order to breathe. Carbon dioxide के atoms को देखें तो they are released from our bodies and plants take in the carbon dioxide so they can photosynthesize. हम hydrogen और oxygen atoms को साथ देखें तो they bond together to form water, which is so important in the world because it has a multitude of uses, and without water we would not survive. If you look at copper atoms, aluminum atoms, nickel atoms, etc., all make up metals, which are used for a variety of things in our everyday life. क्या आपको पता है जिसको हम lead pencil कहते हैं does not have lead. It is actually graphite pencil. Its name is a misnomer. कभी आपने सोचा है कि पानी एक एटम है कि मॉलिक्यूल? A water molecule consists of 3 atoms, an oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms, which are bonded together like little magnets. The atoms consist of matter that has a nucleus in the center. The more bonds in a molecule, the more potential energy it contains. When the chemical bonds within ATP are broken, energy is released and can be harnessed for cellular work. ये एनर्जी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है बॉन्ड फॉर्मिंग और बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग में. क्यों भला? When a chemical reaction occurs, molecular bonds are broken and other bonds are formed to make different molecules. For example, the bonds of two water molecules are broken to form hydrogen and oxygen, which is an endothermic process. Energy is released when a bond is made, which is an exothermic process. क्या आपको पता है कि केमिकल बॉन्ड सबसे पहले डिस्कवर किसने किए थे? In 1916, Gilbert Newton Lewis published his seminal paper suggesting that a chemical bond is a pair of electrons shared by two atoms. आपको इसका नेम बहुत दफा हर जगह नजर आएगा, specifically when we study the concept of acids and bases. In Lewis, dot structure to represent valence electrons and in many other sectors of chemistry. Another prominent name is Linus Pauling. In bonding, how can we miss him? Lewis started the idea, लेकिन पॉलिंग ने इस आइडिया को कंप्लीट किया था. पॉलिंग्स 1939 टेक्स्ट बुक, जिसका नाम है ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द केमिकल बॉन्ड, इज कंसिडर्ड अ क्लासिक टेक्स्ट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. चलें, अब हम इन केमिकल बॉन्ड्स को थोड़ा डिटेल में देखते हैं. जब हम इन केमिकल बॉन्ड्स को देखेंगे तो वी विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ सम इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस, सच एज कि electrons act as glue in chemical bonding, and what will happen when an atom donates an electron, जिसको हम कहते हैं transfer bond. What will happen when an atom shares electron, which is known as a share bond. What will happen when electrons are freely moving and mobile between metals, which is known as interatomic bond. And what will happen when molecules exert some weak force on neighboring molecules since some partial charge is left on them, which is known as weak bond. When substances participate in chemical bonding and yield compounds, the stability of the resulting compound can be determined by the type of chemical bond it contains. हमारे पास basically 4 primary chemical bonds होते हैं, which are formed by atoms or molecules to yield compounds. क्या आपको पता है? The bonding which involves the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is known as ionic bonding. इसमें an atom loses an electron, which in turn gained by another atom. और ionic bond के अंदर कितने participants होते हैं? It involves a cation and an anion. The bond is formed when an atom, typically a metal, loses an electron or electrons and becomes a positive ion or cation. Another atom, typically a non-metal, is able to acquire the electron or electrons to become a negative ion, जिसको हम कहते हैं anion. सामने आपको एग्जाम्पल नजर आ रही है एक आयोनिक बॉन्ड की. क्या आपको पता है हमारी बोन्स इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यों हैं? Yes, because of ionic bonding. And do you think that sharing of electrons between atoms make a covalent bond? It is a force of attraction that holds together two atoms that share a pair of valence electrons. The shared electrons are attracted to the nuclei of both atoms. This forms a molecule consisting of two or more atoms. Covalent bonds form only between atoms of non-metals. जैसा आपके सामने आपको नजर आ रहा है. कोवेलेंट बॉन्डिंग करने के लिए हमारे पास 2 तरीके हैं. नंबर 1 इज शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिटवीन एटम्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड और शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिटवीन एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स. आपको पता है there are 3 different kinds of covalent bonds. Single covalent bond, जिनमें they have single bond between atoms such as alkane. Double covalent bond, जिनमें we have double bond between atoms such as alkene. And triple covalent bond, जिनमें we have a triple bond between atoms such as alkyne. आप गैस कर सकते हैं कि ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल में कौन सा बॉन्ड होता है? Covalent bonds are extremely important in biology. They form the oxygen we breathe and help make up our living cells. और हमारी मस्कुलर सिस्टम में कौन सी बॉन्डिंग होती है? Yes, covalent bonding. कभी आपने सोचा है कि why is gold ductile and malleable? This is because of interatomic bonding. और ये metallic bonding कहलाती है. It may be described as the sharing of free electrons among a lattice of positively charged metal ions. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि मेटालिक बॉन्ड्स इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कैसे कर सकते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करने वाली चीज है? Metallic bonds do not involve the sharing of electrons. The s and p valence electrons of metals are loosely held. They leave their own metal atoms. This forms a sea of electrons that surrounds the metal quotients in the solid. The electrons are then free to move throughout the electron sea. In this model जो आपको नजर आ रहा है, the valence electrons are free, delocalized and mobile. The electrons move among all the atoms. जैसा हमारे पास जिंक और सोडियम की एग्जाम्पल है. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग की एक वीकर फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कहलाती है. कंपेयर टू आयोनिक एंड कोवेलेंट बॉन्डिंग, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज अ वीकर फॉर्म ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. This bond is formed when atoms share electrons unequally in compounds like in water molecules, wherein the hydrogen develops a partial positive charge. This implies that the electrons are pulled closer to the more electronegative oxygen atom. This creates a tendency for the hydrogen to be attracted towards the negative charges of any neighboring atom. This type of chemical bonding is called a hydrogen bond and is responsible for many of the properties exhibited by water. क्या आपको पता है कि हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग जो होती है, it helps in our DNA construction. ये DNA बनाने में हेल्प करता है. Hydrogen bond is very important in biology and it is called a peptide bond. A peptide bond joins together chains of amino acids which are involved in the construction of our DNA. There is another new type of bond जो कि अभी recently discover हुआ है. That is known as charge shift bonds. Hopefully in the near future हमें इसके बारे में और मालूमात हासिल हो जाएंगी. चलें, अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेते हैं. Question number 1. When one atom transfers one or more valence electrons to another atom, a dash is formed. A. Covalent bond. B. Ionic bond. C. Metallic bond. Number 2. In general, bonds between a metal and a non-metal are A. Covalent. B. Ionic. C. Metallic. Number 3. When forming bonds, metals tend to A. Gain electrons. B. Lose electrons. C. Lose protons. 4. Atoms in a molecule are held together by A. The strong nuclear force. B. Chemical bonds. C. Gravity. 5. When two electrons in a chemical bond are equally shared between two different atoms, the bond is A. Ionic. B. Polar covalent. C. Non-polar covalent. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.